Fully Cubby, how's it going? Now, this video I'm actually going to be making a robot from scratch, taking a break from converting things from appliances. So, this one is actually a request sort of design. You see, obviously when I was younger, growing up watching Robot Wars, BattleBots, that sort of thing, I used to watch it with my dad. And he had said, it would be good to go on it and have a robot and just rip everything to shreds. And I said to him, well, why not design one? And I'll make it for you to fight my machines, just recently. And he sent me a design. Well, he went through a design, I sort of drew it out, so we'll go and show you what he's after. Starting off, the body is a wedge, but with the lower end being at the back, and its main weapon is a drum. A 4-toothed drum, where the teeth go right, middle, left, middle. So it goes down like that, in a sort of a zigzag sort of pattern. The drum has to have a yellow edge band. I'm not sure if that's in the middle or both sides, I'll see about that. Gold ring on the back with the name of the robot either under or on the ring, depending on how it looks. 2 wheels, and the teeth are to be tipped yellow. So, with all this in mind, I am going to have to actually go and get the parts for the framework and the material and things like that, but I do have the parts to make the drum. So, let's get to it. So this piece of metal that I've got here, it's aluminium, it's really thin, I'm not sure exactly how thin it is, but a friend of mine didn't want it because it was severely damaged, and you can clearly see that it was meant to be a shelf, but it's beaten up and he didn't want it anymore, so I'll take it off his hands. Now I've got a use for it. It's driving me around the bend. It seems that this is too heavy for the motor, because it's not spinning at all. When trying to get it to work, it's not working. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Might have to go for an alternative weapon, but of course it's not my design, so. Okay, so I've done a bit of work off camera because I don't think anyone really wants to watch me cut a few pieces of metal. So what I've done is, using the same shelves as I did for the sides, I cut this whole top out and screwed it all the way down, secured the motor brackets so the wheels are running fine. So the next thing to do, these lines I've drawn here, that is to get taken out, and that's exactly what I'm going to do next. Robot's finished, and yes, there is a disc on here, but I did ask my dad and he is happy enough to go with that, so it pretty much means that I'll be ordering a saw for this one. Spinning backwards could be interesting, but the main thing is that's it done, so all that's left to do is paint and name. Okay, using that stick, you can let it run around.
Okay.
Okay. And here we are, my dad's very own fighting robot. Although this one had several changes and modifications throughout it, it's pretty nice actually. Dad's happy enough. I'll let him do the testing, I'll let him have a drive about with it. If you want to see some other robots that I've made before, I'll leave a link up there. Or if you want to subscribe to see what I've got coming next, I'll leave a link down there for you. So that's it for this video. Thanks very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. A satisfied customer. Yes, the robot is to be called Precious. So, overall,